the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy tuna melt sandwich. So your ingredients that you're going to need are 2 5-ounce cans of the albacore tuna. We're going to need some cheese, also bread. I'm using the Mayer Italian bread, 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now you guys, this is the way that I make mine. You can use diced onion, celery, whatever you would like in your tuna. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start to add in my seasoning. So I have my garlic powder, onion powder, my parsley flakes, and also ground black pepper and red pepper flakes. And guys, I wanted to tell you, if you're using salt, I'm not, because I'm trying to stay away from salt. You can use 1/2 teaspoon. So now all I'm going to do is mix my seasoning thoroughly through our albacore tuna. Once everything is thoroughly mixed through, we're just going to go ahead and add our mayonnaise, and we're going to mix until well combined. Once your tuna is mixed, we're just going to go ahead and get our softened butter, and we're going to butter one side of each of the slices of bread. Okay guys, once your bread is buttered, all we're going to do is turn the bread over onto the other. And we're just going to begin to put our tuna on. Once you have your tuna onto your bread, we're just going to go ahead and add our slices of cheese. Alright guys, now I have my sandwich maker, and all I'm going to do now is place one on each half. Now we're going to put the tops on. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and close it down. Once the light turns green, our tuna melts will be done. Okay guys, so our tuna melts are now done. You can see they are nice and cheesy. The bread is nice and toasted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.